The most important shortcut in Chromium browsers is Find and Search shortcut. Press Ctrl and F keys at the same time or F3 key and a search bar will appear on top of a web page. Enter any search term, press enter and go directly to that part of web page. This feature is also available on mobile phone version of Chrome and Edge browser. Open a web page, click three dots on top right in Chrome Android or click three dots on bottom in Edge mobile and select Find in page or Find on page option. This shortcut is even useful in other apps such as MS Word and Canva. For example, here in Canva app, you can see the demo of Find and Search shortcut. Let's move to the second important shortcut. Sometimes we mistakenly close a tab in Chrome or Edge browser. For example, I have closed these three tabs. To reopen them, I will press and hold Ctrl and Shift keys and keep pressing the T key on keyboard. On third number is Zoom in and Zoom out shortcut. You can click three dots in Chrome or Edge browser and then select minus or plus symbols. As alternative keyboard shortcut, press Ctrl key on keyboard and then press plus or minus keys to zoom in or zoom out a web page. As alternative, after pressing Ctrl key, you can move the mouse wheel forward or backward for zooming options. Fourth most useful keyboard shortcut is web page top and bottom shortcut. For example, press End key on keyboard to go to the bottom of a web page. Similarly, press Home key on keyboard to go to the top of the web page. Home and End shortcuts also work in most other apps such as Filmora or Canva. Here are some more keyboard shortcuts which are my favorite. See link in description to explore all shortcuts in Chrome browser. Thanks for liking this video.